Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu in Base44. Now, I have created this whole app here, okay, this whole project without relying on any drag and drop features, okay, or buttons. All you need is natural language prompts, fully AI. So I'll give you an example. Let me go ahead and prompt them. So here's my prompt that I came up with. Add a drop-down menu for status with options, and I put a call on here, pending, in progress, completed, and canceled. Now, as you can see, each button or status or option that I want is inside these speech marks. Okay, so it knows exactly the wording to use. Then just go ahead and click here on the enter button, and then in about 30 seconds to a minute, it would do this for you. In fact, it did it quite faster. All right, there you go. It is implementing this and refreshing our app preview. Let's see if it did what we asked it to, right? I'll just click on add new task, and here we go. We have the status drop down right here. This one I added before. So you just need to be very specific and just describe to it what you want, just like how you would with a person, and it would do everything for you. There you go. That is how you create a drop down menu in Base 44.